Hello everyone. Today we will review the Leatherman Skeletool. Oh wait, no. The Leatherman Style CS. A little baby Skeletool. So the attributes that I like about this with the EDC blade. It's very quick deploy. Liner lock. Very nice. As far as an EDC tool overall, very small. Very light and easy to put your keys, your belt loop. This blade, very slow deploy. There's a bearing lock on here, and so put your nail nick in, pull. And what we have here, because it's a bearing lock, you do not want to choke up because you may cut your fingers. Press hard, you may cut your fingers like that. So if you, this is about the maximum that you can go, right around here. Let's pull that down. Very sharp blade, by the way. Very point. Clip. It's a little sharp on the clip. On the opposite side, we have a nail neck here. Nail filer. Very coarse. A little bit of pry tool here. Is it good for prying? Yeah, very strong actually. Very strong. I don't know what kind of screw this would fit in because it's a little wide for this size screw. Here we have tweezers, so nick yourself right there. Ooh, let's see. There we go. Nice tweezers. See, very similar style to the Victorinox. And instead of being folded, they have two welds right here to keep these two pieces of metal together. I'm not sure how the Victorinox or Victorinox are held together because at the point where they converge, it's there's a plastic there, but they work more or less similar. Let's get that guy in there. Slide. And on here, oh, we'll get back to that. We have scissors with the CS. Spring-loaded scissors. Very comfortable. So I would press here and close it this way. Like so. So the CS, for some reason, means scissors. And the PS, instead of scissors out there, you have pliers. But instead of a blade, you have scissors. I don't really understand what that means. This Carabiner, very nice for this size. You can see the skeletool is much larger, very robust. And let's see how this bottle opener works. Let's see what we got. What is this? Vanilla porter? Alright, let's try this. I don't expect this to be very strong, but let's see what we got. Well, it was a little difficult. But I got this on sale at Leatherman.com for around $20. More to come. Bye.